Before we start, this system of recovery has its roots in some extremely useful psychotherapy tools. These tools are discussed in such august tomes as Beyond Psychology by Saj Gabaudet, Life Skills by Marion Voltman, and Cellular Attitude, which is by me. It's helped thousands and thousands of people heal themselves, improve broken relationships, and has been used commercially for a number of years now in business-to-business environment. It works person to person, interdepartmentally, and is also very effective in customer service regeneration. It involves you having the desire to mend the relationship that isn't working or is broken with another party. It requires you to take total responsibility for your part in the relationship and actually in the whole relationship. It gives you the opportunity to change things. Because if you don't change anything about the relationship, it's going to stay broken or dormant. And something has to happen to change this. Now, the very first part of this is contact. And depending on the severity of the issue and depending on the severity of the relationship, depends on how this contact goes. But it's up to you to make contact. And we have a 9-step process that helps facilitate this, and I'm going to go through this now. So the full 9-step process looks like this. 1. I'd like to look at repairing or improving our relationship. I'd like to ask you a few questions to help me understand my part in this. Would that be okay? 2. Okay, regarding the communication in our relationship, was there anything that I didn't say or communicate to you? 3. Okay, was there anything else that I did not say or communicate to you? So you continue with this question until there is nothing else that hasn't been communicated, and you acknowledge each answer. 4. Okay, thanks for that. Regarding the understanding in our relationship, was there anything that I failed to understand about you or what you want? 5. Okay. Was there anything else that I failed to understand about you or what you want? And you continue with this question until there is nothing else that hasn't been communicated and you acknowledge each answer. 6. Okay, thanks for that. Regarding our relationship, was there a loss of respect? 7. Okay. Regarding our relationship, was there a loss of affection? 8. Okay. Regarding our relationship, was there a loss of trust? And lastly, 9. Okay. Is there anything else you would like to say about our relationship? The reason that this works so well is that it systematically regenerates the wheel of rapport step by step.